Discover Curracurrong Falls with Santhosh on Earth, a unique waterfall with a one-of-a-kind nature vlogger. Hi everyone! Today I am super excited to share my adventure to Curracurong Falls. I did a hike of about 10 kilometers round trip. This video will take you along the trail and show the beauty of this hidden waterfall in New South Wales, Australia. We drove all the way from Parramatta to start this adventure. The road winds through beautiful countryside and small towns. It gave us a chance to see more of New South Wales before the hike. We begin our hike at Providential Point in Wattamolla. To the left, the ocean stretches wide and endless. Waves crash against the cliffs with steady rhythm. The salty breeze carries freshness straight to your face. To the right, thick coastal bushes and wild scrub spread across the land. Birdsong flows from the branches, filling the morning air. The track underfoot is sandy, shaped by years of footsteps and wind. Every step feels alive with the sound of nature around us. The contrast of sea and bush makes this place truly unique. This is where the Curracurong Falls adventure begins. Curracurong Falls is one of the rare waterfalls in Australia that flows directly into the ocean. The water begins as a small stream, winding quietly through the bush before suddenly reaching the edge of towering sandstone cliffs that have been shaped by wind and waves for millions of years. On windy days, the falls can even blow backwards, spraying mist high into the air like magic. This whole area sits along the coastline of the Royal National Park, one of the oldest national parks in the world. Around the cliffs, you'll see tough coastal plants that survive the salty winds. The water rushes forward and bashes over the rocks before falling away. From here, the wide open view stretches far across the ocean.
I'm walking.
Along the path, thick bushes grow on both sides, wrapping the trail in green. Sometimes the bushes open just enough to give small glimpses of the coastline. Birds dart in and out of the scrub, filling the air with quick flashes of color. Every turn on the trail feels alive with a mix of bush and sea. It is a perfect blend of wild cliffs, crashing water, and endless views. The horizon feels endless, where the blue sky meets the deep sea. The sound of waves mixes with the roar of the waterfall. After some walking, we reach the Curracurong Gully Lookout. From here, you get a wide view of the valley below. The gully is deep and green with layers of forest. It is a perfect spot to pause and just enjoy the scenery. I took a moment here to breathe and capture some photos. And if you look up, you might notice birds gliding easily on the strong updrafts. Finally, we reach Curracurong Falls. Here, the water does something rare and magical. It doesn't just fall into a river or a hidden pond. Instead, it cascades down the rocky cliff face and drops straight into the open ocean below. Standing at the edge, you feel the power of the water carving its way through sandstone for thousands of years. The cliffs rise tall and rugged, decorated with patches of green bushes and coastal plants clinging to the rock. On windy days, the waterfall doesn't always fall down. The strong sea breeze can actually push the water back up, creating a mist that dances in the sunlight. It feels almost otherworldly. Looking out, the vast ocean stretches endlessly, while behind you, the quiet bush whispers in the breeze. This meeting of forest, rock, and sea makes Curracurong Falls a place like no other. The stream feeding the falls changes with the seasons, gentle during dry times, but powerful and roaring after heavy rain. From the lookout, the view stretches wide where land meets sea in a dramatic horizon. Curracurong Falls is truly a hidden treasure, a rare and unforgettable spectacle of nature. It is peaceful, yet at the same time, full of raw power. A reminder of how beautifully nature balances strength and stillness. Take a moment and just enjoy this view with me. Look at how the water drops straight into the ocean. Notice the cliffs, the green bushes, and the endless horizon. Close your eyes for a second and listen to the sound of water and wind. It feels like nature's own masterpiece, right before our eyes. After enjoying the falls, we begin the walk back along the same trail. Now, at this elevation, the view opens up to a blanket of green bushes stretching across the land. While coming here, we saw the ocean and the crashing waves on our left, but on the return, it's the greenery that steals the show. The sunlight shines differently now, lighting up the tops of the bushes and trees. It feels like a whole new perspective on the same path, a chance to reflect and take in nature's beauty once more. That was my hike to Curracurong Falls, a journey of about 10 kilometers there and back. I hope you enjoyed this adventure as much as I did. Nature always has small surprises waiting for those who choose to explore. Thank you to everyone who stayed until the end of this video. And stay tuned for more explorations through the eyes of Santhosh on Earth.